Good afternoon, Julie, Steen. Hi, nice to see you.
Hi. Hi, Michael.
Nice
Maybe
to
say a
see
few
you.
words. Who you are.
We're Steen and Julie from Vecolux. We're a company in Belgium, distributor of KNX materials or products. And we have a few projects and we are
You're educating on KNX as well, right? I see the
Yes.
boxes behind you. Yeah.
Yes, indeed.
And you're a big fan of the parallel download in ETS 6.3.
Yes, it really makes it easier to and faster to download
Much
projects.
faster, yeah. Yeah, maybe we can look into it. What are you showing here?
See?
Well, here this is a diagram from our training, from our starters training, where we explain the difference between a TP line and an IP mainline. So, and the communication between the routers on the network is done on the IP multicast.
Okay.
And of course, here also we explain about the filter tables and so on.
Hmm.
So if you now connect your computer to the network and you want to download specific devices, ETS will automatically choose the right path for the download.
Right, and you
And
showed
it
here
can-
with 3 lines, but in the end it can be many more, right?
Exactly, yes, behind
It's
us.
all an IP backbone. Yeah, you have
Correct.
7 boxes there. Yeah.
Behind us at the moment, we have 7 boxes equipped with an IP router. And in ETS, let me show you, we have this topology where all the, of course, all the boxes, all the training suitcases, they have the same material, they have the same, the projects are copied, of course, the lines are copied. And every IP router has its own IP address, and the ETS 6.3 knows which individual address is in which IP address, and the ETS will create a tunnel accordingly. So,
Right. And this
for
allows
example,
you then to do, you said already, Julie, you said a quicker download, right? So can we
Yeah.
see that?
Yes, I can demonstrate if you want. So, for example, let's say we need to change a parameter, for example, in this Tekla device, and we need to do it on every Tekla in every box.
Okay.
Then, of course, it should take much time if we need to do it one by one using the USB interface, for example. But
Yeah.
let's say, let's say on the topology level, actually, the topology level is clear. So every line has its router. At the moment, everything is downloaded, but let's make a change. And for making a change to the parameters, I always make a trade for a device. And
Okay. Yeah,
then
very
I
good.
select all the devices together, go to the parameters, and now I'm changing the parameters of the Tekla device. So for example, over here you can see that the Tekla measures the temperature every 10 minutes and it sends it on the bus, but we want to have it more frequently on the bus.
Yeah.
So let's say 2 minutes. Then you will see, if we go back to the trades, to the devices, that the parameter flag has gone low because there's a change. So if I now click the download button, ETS is of course configured on automatic, and you see that all the IP routers are discovered in the network. So if I click the download button, then ETS will automatically start 6 downloads in parallel.
Oh, wow. Yeah. Oh, this is good
as you
to
can
see.
see,
Yeah.
it's also only a question of a few seconds and everything is downloaded. And for example, in this use case with the training suitcases, it happens a lot, but it can also mean in a building where you have 3 lines with 40 devices on every line, or 7 lines with 20 devices on each line. There always will be multiple devices which need to have a download.
Yeah, we see often an IP backbone and then one twisted pair line per floor, or maybe
Something
one
like
for
that.
one additional one for outside. Yeah.
Exactly. Yeah.
Then you would have maybe 2, 3, 4 IP routers, and you can have a parallel download across all. Yeah, very good.
Correct. Yeah.
Does
So
this also work for device info?
Yeah, it also works for device info. So yeah, let's do it for the same Tekla device. Doesn't matter. Yeah, let's take the Tekla. But then again, I need to select everything, and then ask for the device info.
And this also works all in parallel. Oh yeah, very good.
Yeah.
It's very fast that way. I like this. And I see you make use of this. That's very good to see. I hope that our viewers will make also more use of this.
Of course.
see the benefits of the parallel and automatic download.
Yeah.
Very good.
And in this case, we are showing an IP mainline, but you can also have, if you have a hotel, for example, with 100 lines, and in every line you have just a tunneling interface, then also this can be used.
Indeed. Yeah.
Yeah.
Well,
Okay.
thank you. This is very good.
You're
Julie,
welcome.
Steen, thanks for showing me this, and keep working on this. Very good.
Thank you so much, Michael. See you.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye-bye.